Reactions as pictures of the late Super TV television wife hit the internet. Hello my correct people, I wanna welcome back to my channel. When you wanna welcome, when they wanna super welcome. Alright, I'm gonna help me check below when I see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. My correct people, so today news now about Super TV CEO. Oh, my correct people, them no be small thing. Una no say the man been done by. I might just give a little recap for some people who never hear about the story. The man been done by. Yeah, so how it take by, we say just by immediately like that. He first lost, they can't find him everywhere. He lost on the 14th of July. Yes, they can't find him everywhere. Now finally they can see him on the 18th of July in body. They can see him body for one apartment like that. This lodging where they do them as apartment like that. They can't see in body for there. Now they can't do investigation. Now they can go discover stay. Now 300 level Unilag students now by the man where they study mass communication, and her age now 21 years of age. My correct people there, so they think shell and the man wife and children, they don't define them, they cry wow daddy, they pray to Baba go there, they no say the man don't buy. My correct people they be smart, on top of this very mattress, the thing don't shell she tell a video footage even come out where they can wear black on black, although not black and white, but I thought on bad pass if I wear this kind of clothes, will show black like that for CCTV TV. If I wear like navy blue, if I wear like all this dark color, maybe brown, all this color we say, even if bloody stain will show it, now it will show black for CCTV. But if you wear some kind of cloth where they bright, where if bloody stain it will show, we going to show black like that. So she was prepared, she was ready. So I can't really say she wore black on black, but that is how it looked like. But I can't really say because now black and white is not in B, but she wear dark color where we say even if bloody stain, go for sure. My correct people then will be smart, no be small thing don't shell. Hey, which kind painful dirty be this? Which kind shameful dirty be this? On top this very mattress, Cubana chief priest don't come at you, come shout, say men back to base, men back to base, men back to base, back to your home. Forget about all this side chick, side hen, side fowl, side waiting. Forget about them and go back to your house. Alright, so Mosho, I put inside. Alright, so Cubana chief priest, right? Say man down. Because you say all sugar daddies fall back to base. I repeat, all sugar daddies fall back to base. Home right now. One man down. I repeat, one man down. Yeah, that was one thing. Una no fall back now. Una never see anything. Alright, so brother Shaggy, can't laugh because they fall back as soon as possible. You better fall, yo. One man don't go down. Una better borrow una self sense. Una no get at least you will borrow now. So pictures of their wife don't come at you now because jeez. That's what this woman fine. That's what this woman fine. They waiting this man they find. Oh, popular Instagram blogger with a writer and they say, what do men really want? Make a read that for me. Alright, so popular blog, Insta blog right say, what do men really want? Check next post to see the beautiful wife of the MDAT Super TV CEO. So after you go write that, people can comment, make I read the comments for me. Alright, the first person here say, now why are they fear to just choose person where go con disgrace him lineage, not me? The second person can say, Shana Photoshop be third slide me. God will save us from this Ninja. The third person can say, why are they posting this woman picture again now? I beg let her grieve in peace. The fourth person can say, OMG, I feel so sorry for her. The fifth person can say, what do men really want? The sixth person can say, what waiting man wants self. The last person can say, wife stroke marriage no be by face. It's small thing on my correct with them. It's in shelle. Like say tomorrow no day. Like say even next tomorrow say no day. Ah, she's so beautiful. Oh my god, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Ah, to say that they check say beauty, they do overdose. One person said no supposed to get all this beauty, and they're supposed to divide them, share and give different people because the beauty don't too much. If one person alone take them, now overdose, but beauty no get overdose. The man too is a fine, cute, handsome man, intelligent, very intelligent woman. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you about the woman and who she be, what she represents for the country. Alright, so my great for them. Updates from Amiibo headquarters. This one from our head office. And this Amiibo they reach us. They say wife named na Brenda Atega. So the wife of Michael Osifo will be Brenda, na national project coordinator for the LPG gas expansion program. So for the office of the Honorable Minister of State for Petroleum and Resources. Now wow. They say before she been not serve as special advisor for downstream infrastructure between 2015 and 2019. Say she be meet downstream commercial strategies with over 15 years of experience for inside oil industry. And for 2018, they been nominate them for the prestigious Archbishop Desmond Tutu Fellowship. Say Brenda, now also been found seat for the boards of non-profit charity organization through foundation wey focus for community and human capacity training for women and youth for barrios and IDP camps. Now wow, hey, a woman of substance, a queen and more. Wow, very intelligent. Alright, so my correct people them no be small thing, yo. People don't shook him out. They don't even know how to shook him out. Put it again. Some people they blame the man, yo. Some they blame the side chick, some they blame the side chick father. We leave the girl mama because some when they say children from broken homes. Now so it'll always be because they say the mama and the papa of the girl they know they together again. When God say me two people come together, come from family, you know why? And sometimes when some women they just manage like that, they endure. See, I thought I'm bad past my stay because of my children. I thought well, mama they still because of also they manage you, they endure. Alright, so my correct people, them Nollywood actress they call and say 18 or they like to shook him out put for many things. Don't stay follow shook ma put you. She thought say all these are women they say the one married woman will get character, woman will good, churchy, decent woman. At the end of the day, when the mother and keep for house, she go there, they born, they take care of their children, then they go come out, go find their spec outside. The one where they go they take it druggy together, they silence it, they go together, they club it together. So the one for house will just stay there because not with their spec. She talk plenty, man, read her for now. Alright, so 18 to react because after you marry society spec, God-fearing to please family and society, you will keep the innocent woman at home as baby making machine, homemaker, and go rent air pop for your real spec, your kind, your soulmate, your fellow druggie and alcohol addicts. That truly makes you happy. Are you not deceiving yourself? Why don't you just marry your spec and build your home in love and happiness? Why can't you just be true to yourself and marry for yourself and not for society validations? A lot of pretenders and hypocrites causing themselves and their partners grief. Same goes to men who marry models, Coke bottle, but their true spec is plus size fat. Same for men who marry women when their true spec is men. All of you continue deceiving yourself. So 18 sir, you know everything, yo. You know everything. You don't marry the first time, divorcing. Even this your second marriage, why you saying only 6 months it lasts. You where you know everything. I beg motivational speaker. My book don't full. My book don't full. My notebook don't full. Alright, you my correct people on top waiting letting us talk. So some people say 18 say you did right, some people say you did wrongs. Alright, my correct people them be smart, you know. People don't talk. Make I read the reactions thing for one. So more show I for fans reaction thing. The first person here say, where is the lie at least she's making sense this time. The second person can say, sadly, this is what is happening, but should men start marrying draw Adi and Shewe mamas? I am not a man. It is so complicated. Baba God, come and settle this matter. The third person say, I will be my husband's peg, wife, side chick, best friend, F-mate, baby making machine, support system, and his place of peace. The last person here can say, not true. It doesn't mean the woman at home is not their spec. Men like mixed salad varieties normally, and you can never find one person who will be your spec 100%. Even as a woman, it takes discipline and fear of God to stick to the choice you have made. That's what most humans lack. Oh, my curriculum with them now as it stands, so I don't even know where to even start, whether with it for a tinosa or against a tinosa. But she makes some sense there. Oh, she makes some sense there. Well, this matter self, the thing don't even tire me. Anyhow, Sha, now Baba God and will just help us. Last, now Baba God will just help us. Alright, my correct people down. Thank you so much for watching. Mona, so stay beautiful, Mona. Bye.